Assalamu alaikum. This is Gulshan Education Wali, and I am student of Rehan School System of Level 2. Uh, Today, I want to make my review on the TEDx talk of Jolie Dunford. That is how to fix our broken education system. To fix the broken education system. Julie Danford basically is an experienced educator and education reform advocate. She has worked in schools for nearly 2 decades, teaching at every elementary grade level and designed child-centered learning environment that challenge a traditional model of schooling. Jolie Danford professional background includes started teaching in 2001, first in New Jersey. She served as a senior teacher in mixed aid project based programs like the integrated day program in Connecticut. She leads the design and development of innovative school model that emphasizes intrinsic motivation, play-based learning, and student-led discovery. This TEDx talk of Julie Danford reflects her deeper experience working with children and watching firsthand where traditional education falls short and offers solutions roots in empowerment, joy, and meaningful learning. Before her career in education, she also had a background in performing arts, including roles in theater. Uh, Julie Danford, basically uh, experienced educator, and having this TED talk is very reflective and very impressive for education system and for policymakers. Main ideas of this TED talk are education is built for the old world. Traditional education, basically. Traditional schooling was designed decades ago and hasn't changed much while the world around us has. And our education system is not about fixing teachers. It's this TEDx talk basically having the main idea that is not fixing teachers. It's about changing the system. Danford emphasizes that the old models of exams are very rigid structure, having a very rigid structure and a high pressure accountability doesn't serve modern learners well, because when we pressurized our students, when we pressurized our learners for the limited area of accountability, and we fix them in that area, then they are having a high pressure, then they are be in the zone of pressure, and they didn't have the uh, cope point of learning. That is the demand of this situation, that is the demand of this modern world, that is the demand of the progressive learning. Our school systems should try to be renew. We should try to renew our school system, and our policymakers, our teachers, our educators, innovators are always have to do this, and to try this. This TEDx talk about new approaches that are based on real learning. She introduced her model that is focusing on child learning. Child-led learning is that where students explore topics that interest them and are intrinsically motivated, because there are two levels of motivation: intrinsic and extrinsic. And intrinsic motivation level is the core point of this TEDx talk. When we try to enhance the intrinsic level of students, they are be able to learn new things. Second one is play and outdoor time, learning through exploration, not only textbooks. We should try always to do experiments. We should try to learn new things by trial and error. We should try to new things by creating a mess. Not only we should try to learn the new things only from our textbooks. Textbooks are one source of learning, they are not a total source of learning. Other sources of learning, we should try them, and we should do them. That is play and outdoor time. Then mixed age classrooms, because she did a lot of work in this era. In this era, mixed age classroom, children of mixed age learning together to enhance empathy and cooperation. Mixed age classrooms, peer groups are always having an impact, or always having a positive effect for each other, because students or peers are be able to know and learn new things when they do the same level, when they do the same work, and when they do the same work, same level with their same age fellows, or when they do the work with mixed age classrooms. That is the one point of this TEDx talk. Then she giving us the idea of project based learning. Students work on real projects instead of memorizing for tests. Memorization is not the necessary. Memorization is not the demand of this time. Demand of this time is to do the new things, to learn the random things, to learn the outdoor activities, to learn the outdoor experimentations, to do trial and error based experiments, and learn the new things. Memorization is not the demand of this time. uh, Danford also reject rigorous standardized testing and punitive accountability systems. She is against about accountability. When we are fixed our students in this zone of accountability, then we create a fear in our students. That is why she reject this accountability zone. Then focus on creativity and resilience. Education should build curiosity, confidence, and prepare students for a rapidly changing world, not just teach facts. Julie Danforth believes that every child should have access to an education that help them to love learning, make them feel empowered, because learning is the process by which we can make our students be empowered, and we should try to it, and we should try to do it, and enhance this level of empowerment in our students. By learning, by education, we should try to develop creativity and resilience in our students. This is the character building. This is the demand of a positive character. We should try to develop creativity. We should try to develop resilience in our students. And also, according to higher order thinking, we should try to encourage critical thinking instead of test scores. We should try to our students to prepare for the future, not for the past. Thank you so much.